Yo, what's going on, fellas? Welcome back to another trade recap video. Um, there's just a little bit I kind of want to go over today, not too much. We're gonna be going over yesterday's trade because I didn't take a trade today. Let's just kind of hop right into it, right? So, on the 4-hour time frame, when I first hopped on, I seen that hey, we had made this low here, came up to this high, and we had tapped into this right here. We've tapped into equilibrium on the 4-hour time frame, so this leads me to believe that we're probably going to be heading a little bit higher, right? So then when market opened, um, had to drop this line, and then once we made this low at 7, once this candle closed, we formed a high, so we put our equilibrium lines right there, and then we were just kind of waiting for news to come out, and news came out at 8 yesterday. Yeah, so we had some bearish news yesterday, which was driving price down to the downside, which you can kind of see here. All right, so we made this equilibrium right here. We were just kind of waiting for price to come down, fill in this hourly fair value gap, and then also come into our hourly equilibrium, which we did exactly that with news, right? So when news came out, 8 o'clock, we seen that price came down, drove down, swept out liquidity here, filled in this imbalance, filled in this premium or this discounted price range, and then I seen that on the 5-minute time frame, we didn't actually close below any of these fair value gaps, so we ended up respecting it, and we didn't even break structure here because the low is here, and then we didn't even break structure, right? So from there, by me seeing that, I was really ready just to go long, right? So drew out a 1-minute fair value gap. I drew out the 1-minute range from here to here. Just kind of waited for price to come in and draw back into this range here, which it did. Ended up. We can kind of get rid of this because it's not really that useful. So price did come back down, drive back into this fair value gap here, and then also tap back into a high time frame equilibrium. And then from there, all I was waiting for was a break of structure. We got the break of structure here. Now we set our first take profit here, which is a 1-to-1 after placing our stop loss below this fair value gap here. And then we also put our second take profit at high time frame liquidity. And then once we hit our take profit 1, I changed my stop loss to break even. And I did end up getting stopped out of this trade about like right, where is it? Did get stopped out like right here, which I don't know how because my stop loss was all the way down here. But yeah, I ended up getting stopped out, making it just a 1-to-1 on this trade. But you know what? I would have got stopped out anyways. But um, yeah, man, that's really all I have for today. This was yesterday's trade. I didn't take a trade this week or today. I'm not going to be trading the rest of the week because we had Powell speaking today. We also have FOMC tomorrow, and then non-farm employment tomorrow, and then we have obviously 4th of July on Thursday, so can't trade then, and then non-farm employment again on Friday. So I mean, we might be able to trade on Friday just because this news comes out at 6:30. But definitely we will not be trading tomorrow. No trades on Thursday, but potentially looking for trades on Friday just because news comes out at 6:30 in the morning. So if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, and I'll talk to y'all. Fuck. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.